Lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon with a wide range of potential applications. It is a state of consciousness in which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming and has control over their dream environment and actions. Lucid dreams can be extremely vivid and can sometimes even lead to out-of-body experiences. In this video, we'll explore the science behind lucid dreaming, how to induce lucid dreams, and the potential benefits of lucid dreaming. What is lucid dreaming? Lucid dreaming is a state of consciousness in which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming and has control over their dream environment and actions. This awareness can range from a faint recognition that something is out of the ordinary to a full-fledged realization that one is dreaming and control the dream environment. Lucid dreaming is a relatively common phenomenon, with studies estimating that more than 1/3 of people have experienced at least one lucid dream in their lifetime. The science behind lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming is a complex phenomenon that is still not fully understood, but the basic science behind it is fairly simple. During a lucid dream, the brain is in a state of REM sleep, which is the same state that the brain enters during regular dreaming. The difference is that during a lucid dream, the dreamer is aware of the fact that they are dreaming and has control over the dream environment and their actions within it. The most common explanation for this phenomenon is that the dreamer's conscious awareness is somehow able to break through the normal dream state, allowing them to recognize that they are dreaming and take control of their dream environment. How to induce lucid dreams? While lucid dreaming is a relatively common phenomenon, some people may find it difficult to induce a lucid dream on their own. Fortunately, there are a variety of techniques that can be used to help induce lucid dreams. One of the most popular techniques is reality testing, which involves performing regular reality checks throughout the day. These reality checks can involve anything from looking at a clock or looking in a mirror to see if the reflection changes. The idea behind reality testing is that it can help train the mind to become more aware of its surroundings and recognize when it is dreaming. Another popular technique is called wake back to bed, which involves waking up after several hours of sleep and then returning to bed. This method is believed to increase the likelihood of having a lucid dream, as it involves the dreamer going directly from a state of consciousness to a dream state. Benefits of lucid dreaming. Lucid dreaming can lead to a variety of benefits, both mental and physical. For example, lucid dreaming can help to improve creativity and problem-solving skills, as well as increase emotional intelligence. By granting the dreamer control over their dream environment, lucid dreaming can also be used to help overcome nightmares and anxiety. Physical benefits of lucid dreaming include improved sleep quality and increased muscle control. Lucid dreams can also help the dreamer to practice physical activities, such as sports or dancing, without actually having to physically perform the activity. Conclusion. Lucid dreaming is a fascinating phenomenon with a wide range of potential applications. It is a state of consciousness in which the dreamer is aware that they are dreaming and has control over their dream environment and actions. There are a variety of techniques that can be used to induce lucid dreams, and lucid dreaming can lead to both mental and physical benefits. Whether you're looking to improve your creative problem-solving skills, overcome nightmares and anxiety, or practice physical activities without actually having to perform them, lucid dreaming may be worth trying out.